Here is how to switch your Instagram account back to your personal account. So Instagram settings have changed recently, so the layout is different. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Professional Dashboard to access it. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to go to your settings. From this page, tap on Switch Account Type, which is between View Accounts and Profile, and add a new professional account. Then tap on Switch to Personal Account, which is below Switch to Business Account. You'll see a warning that you'll lose some features, so confirm by tapping on Switch to, and it will take a moment to switch. Finally, refresh your profile by tapping on your profile picture and pulling down the screen, and you should now have the personal account again. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.